crash?
I don't know.
Mother.
Where's Betty? Are you guys okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, I'm fine.
Ripping up behind me and just drove through the back of my car when all the cars were trying to come in here. These guys were all slowing down, so we all slowed down and someone just came blowing up and I don't know who it was. They drove through all this.
Is the guy flying?
Is there a guy on the floor?
Who hit me?
The Hellcat.
Oh, I thought they took off.
No, they hit you from behind because
I know
you
he
stopped and then
is he okay?
yeah, him and the girl are fine.
They're okay?
Yeah, I mean not the car, but
I was just slowing down because everybody was bottlenecked, and then next thing I know, I got.
well, we were behind.
I got
behind
smoked.
you two, and then yeah, he went on top of you.
Guys okay?
Oh, I'm fine. I'm
Are you
fine.
guys okay?
Oh, I'm fine.
Damn it.
I just hope they're okay.
Yeah, but we saw everything happen.
That's
why
okay,
we were scared.
Oh, dude, everybody was just bottlenecking, so I was just slowing down like everybody else, and next thing I know, I got hit.
I knew it was gonna happen. It's just the wife on you guys? That's it?
I think so. I don't know.
I almost got hit too.
Who? I saw the black Lambo get sandwiched.
Yeah, and then you tried stopping too, and then
How many cars got hit?
I was only slowing down. Because the black car, the black
got hit too.
The black STO almost got sandwiched into the barrier. And then right when I was watching the STO get sandwiched in the barrier, I got hit.
he tried going down.
Dude, look at it. Literally cracked that rotor in half.
Well,
Holy.
in all fairness, I was in this lane. I didn't turn in this lane. I was in this lane. So, yeah, what?
But then it stopped.
I stopped and slowed down. I stopped and went right away.
It didn't touch any of the engine, but this was.
Well, like I always say, as long as no one's hurt, it's just a car. I'm fine. As long as no one's hurt, it's just this is just material. Like you can always live to build another car. I've done it a few times.
It's
all good, bro. It's all good. It's just unfortunate because like everyone's just too close together. I think someone down over here. I asked it, a bunch of people came back and said they're okay. Well, man, that sucks.
Well.
Look. Man, that's the best car in the fleet, too. Man.
The crazy part is, it's probably fixable.
Think so?
No,
I mean, they just clipped the back end.
It's kind of wild they missed the wing, though. That's for sure.
So, Dave, let's walk down and make sure.
Oh, he's right here.
Just so I'm.
He's somewhere.
Who's driving?
He's over there.
Let's just.
Yeah, we're fine.
Cool.
Dude, I'm so sorry.
So good, man.
I'm
I
so
mean, like, you live and learn, right?
Yeah.
The trick to all these drives is always to give yourself space and drive within whatever you and your car's capabilities are, and that's the downside of not making it sound bad, but like BMWs are not going to stop like McLarens. They just aren't. Like I'm on R888s with ceramic brakes. This car is going to stop way sooner than another car is, and so like that's where if you just don't have the room.
Hey, I'll fix it for you, bro. Don't even worry about it.
Oh, it's all good. I'm not stressed. As long as these guys are okay, we're okay. The rest is just like material that you can always buy more of. You can't buy more people, so I'm always happy when no one's hurt, you know?
Thank you.
We should probably, man. It's all good. As long as you guys are okay, you guys are good. Let's get some of these cars out of here because not everyone needs to stay here.
Yeah.
At this point, it's, we'll just exchange information and I'll have to call a tow truck. I don't know if no one's hurt and it's just property damage. Do you have to get a police report for all this?
I don't know. I'll call our insurance agent in a minute.
Okay, we'll call. We'll make some phone calls. But I think for now, I think the best thing to do is probably just get whatever cars are okay just off the road.
Yeah,
and just everyone continue on. Just be careful for all the debris. It just needs to get.
This is over here.
Yeah.
Was that sitting there after you?
Oh, it blew off.
Oh.
It passed me. It passed me.
So after the 720 was hit, obviously the sign got smashed. The car that hit him is over here somewhere. We'll have to go look for it. I'm not sure if any other cars got hit. Don't mind me, I'm super quiet because I'm kind of in shock right now. I wasn't expecting to see that. Like, obviously my first concern is Damon okay? He got out, he's out. He's super positive about it because that's his mindset. But still, the shock factor is just, even when no one's hurt, like when something like that happens as an accident, it definitely takes you to a place of fear. But now that established everyone's okay, I'm just gonna check these cars out and make sure no one else is hurt or was hit. It looks like all the cars are okay. It was just the 2 cars involved. Okay, so now the priority is to get everybody off the road because right now this entire lane is completely shut down. No one's going anywhere. So we need to make sure it's safe, get people off, call a tow truck, call an insurance company. The driver's here, he admitted fault. The lane slowing down, he hit the brakes too late or whatever happened, he hit Damon's car, is what it is, pretty clear. So we'll deal with that later. Speculation as far as can you fix the car right now, it's so early to even have that conversation, but I would suspect probably not. All this debris, so there's a 720, here's all the debris, and the car that hit him is apparently the Challenger, the white Challenger over here. And I'm told it's destroyed. Oh yeah, airbags deployed. Oh, damn, they were going fast. No airbags in the 720, all air brakes deployed in this car. No one's in there? Everyone's good? Just making sure. So 720 is over there, and that white Challenger is here. That's how much speed he had going after he hit Damon. He went another, gotta be 200, 300 feet before he stopped.
Keep everyone moving. Hey, Dave.
Oh, here comes the cops. Hello, officer.
Stop. They're what?
The white is over there. That's what hit this car.
I have the owner and his girlfriend here. They're okay. No one's hurt. Just property damage. These guys need to move.
Are you involved in the crash?
Yeah, I was driving this.
You were driving this vehicle. Okay,
I'm
do me a
with
favor.
this.
Please move over there. Cool. Thank you, sir. So, who else is not involved in this? And you're with what?
I was the one driving the McLaren.
Okay, just hang out.
Yeah, no worries.
Sorry, David. Love the channel.
Thanks, man. Have a good night.
Do you have your driver's license on you? Do you have your license? I'll need driver's license and insurance certificate. Are you hurt? You're not at all?
Such a beautiful car.
Been giving the officer all my info here, so there we go.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you Damon?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so your friend's here to pick you up back there, but we're going to wait for the tow. That way you get the tow information.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Was this sign in the door point here?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was.
Right there.
Close to it right here? Oh, right there.
Yeah.
Well, I have given my information to the California Highway Patrol. Now I'm just really waiting for the tow truck to arrive. We need 2 tow trucks, obviously.
Well, the good news is that, again, you're okay, they're okay, and right away your first concern was the passenger driver.
Always.
I was in shock. I saw the commotion, I saw the car come through and hit the back of you, but in my mind I was hoping, like, when it happens, you're hoping it wasn't real. Like, you're like, did that just happen? And it was like in shock. I got out and I was like, and you're out and they're out, and it's just like, damn.
That was crazy.
Yeah. Ironically, it's kind of like exactly how the guy already got hit.
It's the same corner.
Yeah. So Mike was looking at it, and he's hoping it's fixable, because obviously that car's...
It looks fixable. Like,
I think it's fixable.
I think it's fixable too.
Last thing I want to say is the young guy who obviously hit the back of my car, you could see him. He's devastated. He's an emotional wreck. I'm not mad at him. It's just a car. We're all okay. So I don't want anybody going after this kid, saying anything on him on social media. Like, we just all move on from this. All right? we'll fix the car or get a new car or whatever. But I'm not mad at them.